Welcome. Let me show you a little bit about our new feature, CNC auto quoting. First thing you have to do is come join us on the MakerVerse customer portal. First you log in, and then all you need to do is upload your files. First, we'll start up with a 3D file. For CNC, usually what you need is a step file or STP file, and you just upload it like so. Once in there, you'll see a new upload component down below, and this is for your technical drawing. And you can see here a little AI enhanced medallion letting you know that we're going to be doing some special things with your technical drawings. When you attach it, like so, you can also specify how many of these parts you need. I will select 10 like that. Then, simple and easy, click Get Your Instant Quote. And all you need to do is sit back and relax, and we'll get to your price in a couple of minutes. And here we are. You can see a price has been outputted, and you're able to purchase it right away. But not only can you buy it, you can also select your different lead times, such as if you want it sooner, you can click Express, or if you're very price conscious, you can select Economy. Not only that, you can go into your specifications. You can see we have pulled out your material and your finishes that are located inside the technical. But if you want something different, you can always select a different material from the drop-down list. For example, if I want to see the price for aluminum 7075, I can simply put that. Make sure that I approve your override, because in the end, you'll have contradictory information. You'll select 7075, while the technical drawing says titanium. What we want to make sure is we get you the right part in the right material. We'll save that, and simply update the price. And in a matter of seconds, you'll get your new prices for your part. And there you go. They're just as easy as that.